Did you guys know as Africans that you need sunscreen? I've never put sunscreen in my entire life, and coming back with this Nairobi weather, Jesus, you do need sunscreen. Like, I had dark patches everywhere, like my face is not evenly toned, and wow, and I used to peel. I didn't think it was the sun or the weather, but I actually peeled. And I went to a beauty salon, not a beauty, it's a beauty world, Linton's Beauty World, and actually they recommended sunscreen, you know, and I've been using the Clinique's sunscreen. It's SPF 50 if I'm not wrong, I guess. So ever since I started using it, my skin has been the bomb, smooth. This heat, this sun is, you know, it bounces on my skin like it was never there, you know. And I've been loving my skin of late. And again, if you want my skincare routine, do hit me up on the comment below, because, you know, I want to know these are all the videos that you guys want, so I can be able to actually do them. You know, I don't want to do something that you wouldn't want to see. So hit the comments if you would want to see that too. So I've been lately having the best time of my life, basically, with social media and everything. And if you want me to talk more about social media and being an influencer, do hit the comments and let me know, so that I can know it's a video that you want to talk about or you want to know more about. So I did cut my hair into a bob from a long. If you have been following my Instagram, I had this long hair, this bomb ass long hair, but I kind of thought I should change it up, you know, change the look into like a bob, sexy kind of bobbish thingy, wiggy, my wiggy jiggy, you know what I'm saying. If I hadn't mentioned it, it's from Amazon. If you haven't been following my Instagram, then I don't know what you've been doing, because I've been wearing this hair and it's been bomb AF, and I have been loving it. But recently I just thought, you know, when you have a change in life, and you know, as women we cut hair, and since I can't afford to cut my own hair, since I had been cutting it for 5 years, I decided to cut this one to give it like a fresh new look, you know. So I decided to go with the bob thing. I don't know, the hair is not human hair, it's synthetic, and if I didn't mention it, it's below $50, which is awesome, and you get to save your coins to look bomb AF. Anyway, so I'm currently at the venue of the wedding. I haven't talked to you guys in a minute, and I don't know why I'm clapping my hands. I mean, I guess bomb ass nails will do that to you. I don't know if I'm the only one. If I'm the only one who puts on nails and then I'm like, you know what I'm saying? I don't know. Maybe I turn gangster. I don't know. I don't know what the nails do, but I don't talk like this when I don't have the nails. I'll be like, you know, yeah. But anyway, I don't know, I guess nails gonna give you kind of a confidence that you didn't know that you had. maybe, I don't know. to another destination to look for other stuff. Yeah, it's a bit hectic. Oh, we just went back. Okay, come back. Yes, come through. I'm so hungry. I'm so hungry. I feel like I could eat a full cow right now. I'm so hungry. Maybe my energy will be up after I've eaten because my god. And then it's hot. Whoever said Nairobi was not hot, Jesus. Oh my god. I'm hungry, I have a headache, it's hot, I'm tired. You can only imagine the pain I'm into. The pain I'm going through, y'all. Just coming. And my mom is just ruining my videos with her. Woo! Ramenyare, ate, aterere, negote. To say that again, ma? Oh my god. So we are currently looking for renovation materials, that's ceilings, tiles, and everything else, toilets, blah blah blah, everything else. Sorry about the background noise. Yeah. So these are all the tiles that we bought. This will be going to the 2 rooms, the 2 bedrooms. We got them from Goodwill, great tiles. Yeah. And then there's the sand to mix up with the cement. So this is actually the renovation part. So we're actually like getting this wall off and like pushing it further down there. Oh my god, if you see the ceiling, it's crazy. Ha ha ha. So this is the house looking like a hot mess. This is not even a hot mess. I don't know what this is, but yeah, now all right. This is wow. Okay, all right. So ceilings down. So basically this house really was a mess. We bought the materials already, so basically it's just renovating, painting, putting the ceilings up, putting toilets and all the equipment that are needed. And hopefully guys, by the end of this process, I will definitely show you guys how the entire house, you know, comes together. And yeah, probably. So here we go, renovation